All right, so this is what my graph looks like, which means I need to go way further for my X max. So for my window, I'm going to make my X max be 500, and I'm going to go by 25. There we go. And now I have a decent graph. So if you're like, wait, hang on a second, how did you get that? Back to my window, I have, that is my X min, X max. So X min -10, X max 500, X scale 25, Y min -10, and my Y max is 200, and my scale is going by 5. All right, so now in our graph, we can look something like that. We can go to trace. So we want to find the distance the ball traveled before it hits the ground, the maximum height, and how long the ball is in the air for. So using our trace feature, we can go ahead and we can scroll, keep scrolling. And again, if it's going way too slow, it's because your t-step is really small. So like my t-step is 0.13. So every step I take is 0.13 seconds. But there we go. I finally get it up to the top, and it is right around t being 1.6. And we get a max height of about, this time I got 218 and 43.66. So we end up getting 43.66 as our maximum height. So these will differ, but it should be somewhere close. I will most likely say on your test, like round to the nearest foot or round to the nearest like 10 feet. So we would all say max height of 40 feet, something like that, where it ends up being a very clear answer based on if your t-step's off, it's okay, you'll still end up getting the right answer. And then our last one, look how long it's in the air before it hits the ground and how far before it hits the ground. So again, we're doing our trace up, and we're looking for where y is equal to 0. So I get y is equal to 0 right around 3 seconds. So I have in between 1 second, I'm sorry, in between 3.2 seconds where I'm above ground and 3.3 seconds where I'm below ground. So I would say right around 3.2 seconds. And then my distance above ground, I'm at 427 feet horizontally and 444 feet when I'm below ground. So right in the middle, right around like 430 feet. And again, this is all an approximate because we're not going to be able to get exact. The only way that we can get exact answers is now taking this, converting it to a rectangular form, and then using our parabola, rectangular parabola. So we could take this and take this equation, solve for t, and then substitute it into our y equals, and then look at this rectangularly and get an exact answer. I'm not going to make you do that. I'm okay with an approximation through trace. All right. Well, that was our video for today. It's a very long video. I might recommend you watch it more than once. If you're confused over any of this, Google's a great tool, but also my office hours, again, are Tuesday at 4 o'clock, and I hope to see you all there to answer any questions that you guys have. All right. I hope you had great weekends. I hope you're all doing well. Stay safe, stay sane, and please, 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 please stay distant. All right, bye.